Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Q&A visual in Power BI. So the Q&A visual, the question and answer visual, uses artificial intelligence capabilities. So all I have to do is come to the right side of my screen, click on my visualizations pane to see my visualizations. Then out of these, the Q&A visual is in the left corner, bottom left corner, right here. I click on that. Now the visual pops right up, and if you can read this, ask a question about your data. It is telling me what I want to know. Type it as a question. So when I say auto statement, show me sales, show me sales, so it shows you my sales. Now remember the stacked bar chart video in which I showed you how to create a stacked bar chart. We selected the stacked bar chart from here, and then we went to fields and then selected my sales and my region. Now I'll show you something really interesting. So when I say show me sales by region, it presents to me a stacked bar chart because it thinks that this is the best way of presenting this information. A stacked bar chart would convey a lot of other information as well. So do you understand how easy it is to use the Q&A visual? And if you click right here, click on this symbol, this will convert the Q&A visual into a standard visual. So now this will become a normal standard stacked bar chart. So you see how easy it is to use the Q&A visual to create and to know answers to questions that you want to find out. Thank you.